This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen Tiguan battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Next, gather your necessary tools, which typically include a 13mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. Now, let's remove the old battery. You'll typically find the battery located under the hood, often on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first, then proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp, which is usually secured by a 13mm bolt, allowing you to lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated firmly. Reinstall and tighten the hold-down clamp to secure the battery. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are tight. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Then, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a certified recycling center or an auto parts store. Finally, you might need to reset your vehicle's clock or radio presets, as these can sometimes be affected by a battery change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.